G'day, it's Christine here from ChrisW Designs, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to the Wanderflap Crossbody Bag. So the Wanderflap Crossbody Bag, this one here, is a saddlebag style bag. As you can see there, it has a nice wide base and it has no gusset, so it's a little bit different construction than your usual saddlebag. Now I've made my bag from quilting cottons and corduroy, and if you haven't noticed lately, I'm quite hooked on the corduroy. I really like it. So on the exterior of the bag we have at the back my quick access phone pocket, and if you've been following me for a while you know that I add these to most of my bags where they'll fit. I've been doing them for years. I can't live without that. And at the front of the bag, under the flap, you will find a nice roomy zipper pocket. I use it for my keys. You could put your phone in there as well if you wanted to. Just stick that in there. And inside the bag is a roomy compartment, and it has 4 card pockets, and those 4 card pockets hold multiple cards, not just 4, and behind those card pockets is a slip pocket. Now the way I've done that card pocket is unique. It's the first time I've done it like that, and my testers were saying that they really liked the way that's done because it's really easy and no fiddly folding and stuff. So yeah, you might like to try that out. And yes, a slip pocket. You could also stitch that down the center when you attach your card pockets so that you have 2 smaller slip pockets depending on how you'd like to organize your things. There's also a large zipper pocket on the other side. I'm quite hooked on the zipper overlays. They make installing a zipper pocket really easy and neat, or very easy to achieve a neat finish. And yes, I'm wearing a hat, and that's because I need a haircut and I haven't had time to go and have a haircut. So there's a little bit of trivial information for you. Closing with a thumb lock. You could use a twist lock if you prefer. You could also use a magnetic snap or a rivet magnetic snap. Nice long adjustable strap. It's a nice wide strap so you don't get sore shoulders when you're lugging around all those things that you might put in your bag. Now in the pattern I show you how to install the hardware and where to install it. I show you how to find the right spot. So I've rated this pattern intermediate, mainly because of the unusual base. It's a bit unique, but it's a lot of fun all the same. But it's not really all that hard, it just takes a little bit more time. But when you're finished, look what you have. It's worth the extra effort. It'll blow everybody away. I love all the space that's inside, except I probably carry around too much things now. I'd like to say a great big huge thank you to all my testers and proofreaders for helping me with this pattern, because without them I couldn't do this job. For everything else I wear all the hats, but when it comes to testing my patterns I cannot do it alone because I miss things, and without proper testing you will not have a quality pattern, and I stand by that. So I need to have it properly tested, and my testers, some of them have been with me for donkey's years and they all do a fabulous job. So I'm quite happy to present this pattern to you. So let's take a look at their photos and see all their marvelous work.
Tick tock, 6 o'clock, there's that old alarm again. Stand up, eyes shut, wishing I was sleeping in. Don't know how I do it, but somehow I do it every day, just the same. Get dressed, still a mess. Shuffle through the same routine. White tee, blue jeans, looking at me beckoning. Get myself together, come whatever, just like yesterday and every other day. As I rush by, the mirror catches my eye, and just guess who's smiling back at me. So today, no matter what comes my way, I'll turn it into something I can celebrate. I'm gonna give the world a shake with a smile. And now, there's nothing that can knock me down. I'm gonna take whatever comes around. Take every frown and turn it upside down with a smile. Bus stop, doors pop, everybody's getting in. Left, right, squeeze tight. Here's a 9 to 5 again. Just another day, but today I'm gonna make a change. Break the chain. Made my mind up, this is something special. Take the ordinary, gonna make it monumental. Life is what you make it, making lemons into lemonade. Ain't it great? As I rush by, the window catches my eye, and just guess who's smiling back at me. So today, no matter what comes my way, I'll turn it into something I can celebrate. I'm gonna give the whole world a shake with a smile. And now, there's nothing that can knock me down. I'm gonna take whatever comes around. Take every frown and turn it upside down with a smile. Today, no matter what comes my way, gonna take the time to celebrate. I'm gonna give the world a shake with a smile. And now, there's nothing that can knock me down. I'm gonna take whatever comes around. Take every frown and turn it upside down with a smile. Today, no matter what comes my way, turn it into something I can celebrate. I'm gonna give the world a shake with a smile.
There are all the tester photos for you. I hope you've enjoyed that. And now, if you'd like to grab the pattern, you can find it at www.chriswdesigns.com, or for the Aussies in AUD, it's at www.chriswdesigns.com.au. If you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, please do. You can find a subscription box on my website, or it'll pop up there for you as well if you've been there for a minute. And you might even find yourself some nice little surprise. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified of any new releases when I add them. And like I said, I wear all the hats, so it'll be me adding them. So what are you waiting for? Let's get sewing. Hit the like button.